Hello everyone, Namaskaram. This is your friend Amith on the channel ComradeCA. Now this video is about ABC analysis, direct taxes, CA final. Direct taxes in CA final, as you all know, that is a vast syllabus, and you must definitely know what to be done and what to be left if you want to score an exemption. As you know that 60% of the syllabus is enough for you to get through or get an exemption, but you must know what is that 60% of the syllabus, and you must know what to be prioritized and what to be left. If you want to score an exemption and if you want to know what to be prioritized and what to be left, please do watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be really very helpful and beneficial. As exam is around the corner, you must know what to be focused if you are feeling stressed out or are in a dilemma that what needs to be done. Because if you want to clear the CA final second group, definitely you must aim for exemption in one or two subjects. So definitely CA final direct taxes, even though it is vast, if you focus on these chapters, if you focus and prioritize on those, or the ABC analysis of direct taxes CA final, you can definitely clear the exams and as well as score very well in your exams. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the ABC analysis of direct taxes. Direct tax syllabus is too vast, and it's very important to have precise concept notes. Now again, focusing on concept notes, because to revise on your last day of your CA final examination, you need not worry, but if you have a concept notes, it's good. But I have placed concept notes which is applicable for this November 22 examination, which will be very useful for your revision, and I will put it in the Telegram channel for the download. That is what I can do for the concept notes. Nextly is the MCQ digest. Now question comes from here. Sometimes new questions are also asked. It will come from this concept notes, because the descriptive questions in the concept notes are converted into MCQs more often. They do that. Otherwise, typically from the ICA MCQ digest, the question comes from there. Obviously, this ICA MCQ digest is vast. You cannot do in the last day, so always try to finish this earlier as much as possible, so that you are familiar with the MCQs that has been asked by ICA. You can definitely refer that. Now moving straight away on ABC analysis. Before that, what I have discussed is just about the concept notes as well as the ICA MCQ digest. Okay, now moving to ABC analysis. Now category A, please focus on the syllabus or the chapters that I am saying. First is the double tax relief. Now double tax relief, when you're doing this chapter, there are deductions in double tax relief which must be highly focused. Deductions such as ATC, ATCCC, ATD, ATG, ATQQB and ATDAB. While doing this, deduction are very important to be referred, because the question that comes from this chapter, that is double taxes analysis, is definitely for deriving total income, relief amount, and deriving the rate of that foreign currency or Indian income. You are deriving that. So marks are for these questions. So when you for these areas, so handle with care. If this deductions goes wrong, then the whole answer will go wrong. So focus on this deduction part. If these are all taken appropriately and properly, definitely deriving your total income or the percentages or foreign income or Indian income or the rates and all will be proper. So you must focus. It is easy, but still you must focus and do it with utter accuracy. Second thing is transfer pricing. Now on transfer pricing, you must focus highly on this secondary adjustment, APA, advance pricing agreement, then adjustments, advance pricing adjustments, the section 90A definitely, and then is limitation of interest of 94B you must do. One thing you can straight away avoid is safe harbor rules, which is not applicable as per the notification, so don't focus on that. Then is NR taxation. Now NR taxation, very important chapter. You have to refer POM, then is 44B, 44 BBA, 44C, then is 12A NRI taxation, then 115A, 115 AD for FII, foreign institution income, then 115 BBA, sportsman income and all, and then section 9. Definitely refer to those. So these are the areas on NR taxation. You must focus on all these areas and do all the questions relating to this, so that you are very well versed with these sections and to write. So answer is not for the section marks, but the treatment that you give, the application of the provision that you give on this. So you must focus on these sections. Charitable trust is the fourth one, and the charitable trust income and the exit tax to derive those. It's very important. Definitely question comes from this, so focus on this chapter. Then is chapter 5, TDS and TCS, advanced tax. Just definitely do these chapters. Then is PGBP. Definitely the basic questions you must cover, which comes for 15 marks, that. And while doing this chapter, highly focus on these deductions like ATG, AT, double J, double A, then ATM, that is on the dividend. You must definitely do that, it will come. Then there is GGB, there is ATIAC. Definitely do this. These deductions are very important. Do all of the questions relating to wherever you find these sections or deductions, so that you cover the basic PGBP as well as these deductions as well. So it is very important. Next is 7th, that is various entities. Definitely a question comes from here, so you must focus on highly like MAT, how to derive MAT, few questions on that. Then firm questions, relating to firm and deriving the income of the total income and all. Then AMT and section 10 double AA. So these areas definitely you must focus on. Do maximum questions from these related to these topics. It will help you. Then capital gain again is in fashion, and this capital gain and will come around 10 marks question can come around on slum sales and 45.4 9B and 112A. These areas need to be done. Then is optional tax rates like 115B AA, BA, B and BAC. Just do this one, so that this around these two chapters like capital gain and this optional tax rates will come for around 10 to 15 marks. Just focus on this. So overall you're doing 9 topics in category A, and this all will cover around 80 marks. So for category A, what you must do is just refer the concept notes and then do maximum questions for these chapters, so that with concept notes you are clear with what is the treatment, what you expect, and you can definitely write what you call the proper working notes for while deriving or doing this practical questions and all. So that is why definitely refer the concept notes, and concept notes should be precise and very crisp, so that it will help you. And this concept notes I have definitely put in the ComradeCA Telegram channel. Do refer to that. Next is category B. Category B is buyback, other source and tonnage tax. This needs to be done, especially these RTP questions were all there in tonnage taxes and all. You must definitely refer to that. This will help you equipped with well versed with these topics. Just do that. Then is assessment and revision. Assessment and revision focus highly on this e-assessment. This new thing has come. Definitely question will come out of that. Then e-assessment is important. Then there is 139, 144, 147 to 149. These are the section numbers. You must focus on 263 and 264 revisions. So these are very important. Focus on these sections. Then is under category B, penalties, miscellaneous, GAR, accusation levy, advanced ruling, set off of special provision. So only questions are enough to be done out of these topics, especially after assessment and revision, like from penalties till set off of special provision. Do only questions that are enough. For category B, from the first topic, that is buyback, other source, tonnage tax and assessment and revision, for both you can refer the concept notes as well as do question, so that you are clear with what is the application and what is the questions expected. So when you do both, you will be well versed with that questions. So both this 80 marks and 25 marks is enough for your preparation. By the time you reach here, you if you have time, then you must focus on category C if you can. In category C, it's all rest of the chapters. All of the rest of the chapters is in category C, and case laws as well is in category C. So if you have time, do it. If you are having time in category C, you can especially focus, if possible, on BEPS and tax treaty and MTC. Just with these three topics, 4 marks questions can come. Altogether in category C, it comes for just 10 marks if possible. So if there is no time, definitely there won't be time. So category A and category B is more enough, and you must, how thoroughly you revise and all is more important, and revise very well for the exams. For MCQ practice, only ICA MCQ compiler must be referred. Okay, and mark my words, there is no marks for section numbers, quoting and all. Definitely you must write very well about the income tax provision, what is applicable, what is the treatment, and how you're treating, and that's all, you carry the marks. So there is no marks for the section numbers and all. So overall, category A, category B, category C. So category A, cover that very well for 80 marks, then category B for 25 marks, and this will help you secure exemption in direct taxes if you prioritize focus on these chapters. So I wish that you will score very good marks in your direct taxes, and this will help you clear your second group with good marks. So if you like this video, please do share with your friends and colleagues who are doing the CA preparation for direct taxes, and in CA final second group. If somebody is stuck in that, please do refer to them, so it will be very beneficial and useful for them. And if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe as well as like the video, and do share with your friends. Until then, this is Amith on the channel ComradeCA. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and stay connected. Thanks for watching the video.